Hello, my name is Kendall Parker, and why should a company invest in a new chemical dependency program? Many different individuals travel throughout their lives battling a chemical dependency. However, many may not understand what a chemical dependency is. So let's begin. Researchers discover with new evidence suggesting that substance use disorders result from changes in the brain that occur with repeated use of drug and alcohols. As a result, will overall affect the way an individual perceives pleasure, aka the reward system, and this is why addiction is difficult to overcome. However, this is not a character flaw in an individual. There are four different types of addictions: food, drug, gambling, and alcohol. This new chemical dependency program will allow individuals who are seeking medical attention to receive the proper treatment all patients deserve dealing with this crisis. This program will focus on providing medical intervention and treatment primarily for people battling addictive disorders in life. So what are some ways a presenter may persuade a company to take on a new chemical dependency program? They may utilize one of the three sales approaches. The first one, stimulus response sales approach. This contains a candid presentation, which is included by stating a set script through which the salesperson lead the prospect. The second approach is selling formula. This utilizes the AIDA: awareness, interest, desire, and action. The third approach is need satisfaction method. This is where the presenter focuses on the customer needs and goals to deliver the new program successfully to the company. So, the stimulus response sales approach. Some presenters may utilize some of these questions to help deliver the message to the company effectively. First question: all the employees of this organization, including yourself, play a vital role in maintaining efficiency within this company. A company will reply, yes. Second question: is it true to say without every individual being mentally and physically healthy, the organization could potentially suffer by experiencing a decrease in revenue because productivity will decrease as a result? Company will reply, yes. Many people may not realize this, but working in an environment with other coworkers, we may never fully know what every individual is facing throughout life. The person sitting next to you may be stressed out because there are incidents occurring in their personal life that may seem uncontrollable, or they may know someone who is battling an addiction that the family hopes the individual can soon overcome before anything else happens. Would it not be great to know that everyone sitting in this room can make a difference in an employee's life that will be beneficial to him or her and their family? A company will reply, yes. This is what this program is capable of providing. It may not only benefit the employees of the organization, but it will benefit the employees' families as well. Now you have finally closed the sales approach. The second approach is the selling formula. This is where the individual must develop awareness, interest, desire, and action. Awareness could be developed by stating a statistic. According to Bessinger, in the United States, 21.6 million individuals older than the age of 12 are diagnosed with abuse or dependency to drugs and/or alcohol each year. Interest. Everyone, let's take a brief pause and please think if you may know someone with a chemical dependency. Okay, thank you. Sadly, many people with an addiction fail to realize they have an addiction or know how to seek treatment for their addiction. Desire. Without us knowing, a friend, coworker, and/or family member could be battling an addiction every day of his or her life. With us being an important figure in their lives, wouldn't it be nice to be able to provide the guidance and tools needed to treat their chemical dependency? Action. As members in our work environment and families, let's take a stance. Let's make a difference by providing the services needed to those with the chemical dependency by allowing this new chemical dependency program to positively affect the employees of this company. The third approach is need satisfaction method. Needs development. Ensuring that all employees are healthy physically and mentally is an important aspect of the company, correct? A company will reply, yes. Needs awareness. Chemical dependency is an ongoing crisis that many individuals are facing every day throughout life. According to research, these disorders are cause significant individual and public health consequences, including more than 88,000 deaths related to alcohol misuse and more than 47,000 deaths to drug overdoses each year. If a company employee is battling an addiction that affects the status of their health, this could potentially decrease the productivity of a company, correct? A company may reply, yes, you are correct. Needs fulfillment. However, the good news is that now we can begin to make a positive difference in the lives of individuals whom we work with every day that are silently battling an addiction. By providing this new program to the employees, you could all potentially save a life while also increasing productivity and revenue due to healthier employees. In conclusion, 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13 states, "No temptation has overtaken you that is not common to man. God is faithful, and he will not let you be tempted beyond your ability, but with the temptation he will also provide the way of escape, that you may be able to endure it." Temptations are inevitable in life. However, God has given us the strength as humans to overcome any type of addiction that may lead to evil. This company can now provide a way for individuals to find a new meaning in life and become a healthier individual mentally and physically by utilizing the new chemical dependency program. So let's take a stance, let's make a change, and let's help all employees battle addiction safely.